Hey guys, Brandon 9mm USA here, and this is going to be a video on the Glock 20 Gen 4 with the DPM guide rod assembly in it. We just got done shooting the Glock 29, the smaller version of this, so basically the subcompact model. So let's see how this does, as far as the recoil difference and all that. 15 rounds. Try to limp wrist it. It's very smooth shooting compared to the 29. Empty. One-handed. Running great. Last mag. Interchange between the two targets here. Running really good. It is so much smoother shooting than the Glock 29. Full-size pistol here in 10mm makes a big difference compared to a subcompact.
All right, guys, we're shooting at 6 Hour Elite Performance ammunition. It is traveling at 1,250 feet per second and 624 foot-pounds of energy. 10mm, right? Lots of power. All right, guys, the Glock 20 in 10mm. Right after we got done shooting the Glock 29 in 10mm, this one feels a lot more comfortable and familiar to me because it feels like a Glock 21 in 45 ACP, which is my current duty weapon.
So what do you think?
Has a bit more recoil than my Glock 21.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go target to target.
Okay.
Yeah, there's more recoil to deal with. It's pushing me around a little bit. I'm having to adjust my hands a little bit, and it's actually pushing out of my grip a little. Okay, Glock 20, 10mm running 100% here in the test of the DPM Systems recoil reducing system. It's still a bit of recoil to deal with, man.
Yeah. And that was brand new, out of box.
Yeah, brand new out of box. A little bit of punishing to your hand after just 3 magazines of 15 rounds each. So 45 rounds of 10mm. I know we just shot the Glock 29 in 10mm too. So maybe it's a combination of both, putting that many rounds through a 10mm handgun. But guys, I want you to be aware you're dealing with some recoil here. If you want a bigger bore, the Glock 21 would be a lot easier on your hand.
There's no question though that the Glock 20 is much smoother than the Glock 29 as far as recoil and pulse. It's not as snappy.
Yeah.
So it's much more manageable in the end.
A little bit bigger pistol, a little bit more weight, so it does help. But if you're on the fence of whether you're going to get a 21 or a 10mm, the 21 and 45 ACP is just easier to manage, man. Or the Glock 30, which is my EDC weapon, is a lot easier to shoot than the 10mm ones are.
Again, running a DPM system in that too.
Yeah, well, They seem to work great. We have them in like 10 different pistols now. So,
Yep. So guys, if you are interested in this product, go ahead and check out the link in the description box below. It'll lead you right over to this product on DPM Systems website. You can use our discount code B9USA to save 10% off your entire order.
thanks for watching the video, guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and support us on Patreon for more guns and gear videos coming up in the future.